In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up and connect your HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 on your Xbox One console. You will be able to do this easily by using the provided cable. Alternatively, if you have the wireless version, this might differ. So first, for the wired version of the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2, all that you have to do is plug it into your controller. So you will be able to plug the cable coming out of the headset itself into the 3.5mm audio jack cable on your Xbox controller. Once this is done, it should be automatically picked up and detected. You can swivel to use the microphone, and once the microphone is out, everything will work flawlessly on your Xbox One. Now, if you have the wireless version, then you might encounter some issues while trying to use it. The wireless version is used wirelessly through the provided USB wireless adapter. The problem is that besides licensed headsets, the Xbox One is unable to detect any other wireless headsets. So if you try to plug in this wireless adapter, nothing will happen. If you want to use the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 wireless on your Xbox One, you will have to purchase an adapter. And there is no guarantee that this is going to work because the USB port on the actual headset is primarily used for charging. So you can try connecting it to your controller by using a USB-C or USB-A to 3.5mm adapter, but there is no guarantee that it is going to work. So if you have the wireless model of the Cloud Stinger 2, then sadly, it is most likely impossible to use it with your Xbox One. But for the wired version, it's as simple as connecting it into your controller with the proper cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.